Howdy, folks. We're live at 7:29, battling for Peter's Blue Snaggletooth. Looks like a nice one. There, I got 30 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy them here. Yep, 30 spots. Paste them in Chow. 1 through 30. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. As you know, I got a 4, which is insufficient. There's a 6er. We're golden. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. Blue Snag on the line. Dave, round 1. Alex, 2. Troy, 3. Abel, round 4. Troy again on top in our next to last round, round 5, with number 24, if I recall correctly, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Jurgen. In at number 10, congratulations, sir. Here's the verification. MDK BDW. There it is, number 10, Jurgen. I think. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm done. It's 7:30 p.m. There it is. Again, there's the official results. Congrats to our winner. See you guys. Thanks.